Hi, I'm Lynsey, Queen of Clean, and I have teamed up with the fabulous Swan brand to bring to you a video on how to start your big spring clean. Now, in our everyday cleaning in our homes, we often concentrate on our surfaces and our floors, but there are areas in the home we do tend to forget to clean. So when it comes to the big spring clean and we've got a bit of extra time on our hands, we can now focus on these areas. So starting in the kitchen, the areas that we do sometimes forget to clean are the tops of our cupboards, our cupboard handles and inside of our cupboards, the baseboards, our appliances such as our fridge, our freezer, our dishwasher and our washing machine. Also with the cooker, the extractor fans, they need a really good clean, and not forgetting those dreaded plug holes. So the next job in the kitchen is those extractor fans. Now these can get really sticky and grimy, and they can also hold on to those nasty cooking odours. Take them down, pop them in a bowl of warm soapy water with a good helping of white wine vinegar. These two items will degrease your extractor fans and bring them up brand new.